Now this is a story all about how my knowledge of equations came about. It'll only take a minute, so sit right there. This is why I leave the equation start swearing.
In the south of Birmingham, born and raised, along came X and Y and a blade.
They were chillin' out, relaxed, all cool when they met a hottie toddy in mountain school.
When a couple of spurs were up to no good, started making sure let's curvy in my neighborhood.
We got in one little fight, and our mom got scared.
She said, your mother was the be at Bel Air.
Yes.
This is for a cab, and when it came near, the license plate said add, and it had dice in the mirror. I pulled it to the graph by 7 or 8.
And I yelled to the cab, "Go home, smell you later."
I looked to my kingdom, I was finally complete.
To be as straight as a fresh slide meets.